Hey there, folks. Are you struggling to shed those extra pounds despite eating what you think are healthy foods? Well, brace yourselves because today we're going to uncover the shocking truth about some common, healthy foods that could actually be sabotaging your weight loss goals. Get ready for some eye-opening revelations! Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the world of dieting and weight loss. Choosing the right foods plays a crucial role in achieving your desired body goals. It's not just about calories in versus calories out. The quality of the foods you consume matters more than you think. Let's talk about those sneaky culprits hiding in plain sight. Foods that are often marketed as healthy but can be detrimental to your weight loss efforts. From flavored yogurt loaded with sugar to granola bars disguised as nutritious snacks, these items can pack a caloric punch without you even realizing it. Now let's delve into the nitty-gritty details. Did you know that your favorite fruit juice may be brimming with added sugars, throwing off your calorie count for the day? And those seemingly innocent granola bars, they can be calorie bombs in disguise, making it challenging to stay within your daily intake goals. It's time to rethink what we consider healthy and make more informed choices. But here comes the bombshell. These seemingly innocent foods can derail your weight loss journey faster than you can say diet. The hidden sugars and excess calories in these products can easily lead to weight gain, despite your best efforts to eat healthily. It's time to take a closer look at what's on your plate and make smarter decisions for your body and well-being. To wrap things up, always remember to read labels carefully, opt for whole foods whenever possible, and be mindful of hidden ingredients that could be derailing your weight loss progress. By staying informed and making conscious choices, you can better support your journey to a healthier you. If you found this information eye-opening, be sure to check out our other videos on healthy eating tips. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below and hit that subscribe button for more insightful content. Together, let's make informed choices and achieve our health and wellness goals. Thanks for watching.